One of the best investments you can make for your Center Valley, Pennsylvania business is in a commercial automatic standby generator. However, you'll need to complete 4 maintenance tasks to ensure it remains fully operational. First, you'll complete simple visual checks on a weekly to monthly basis. Check the oil and wires. Ensure the system has no leaks, especially around the fuel system. The next is to run the generator for 15 to 30 minutes each week. This ensures that the unit and its oil, fuel, and coolant don't just sit for long periods. Many automatic standby generators can be programmed to do automatic weekly run tests. Third, you'll need monthly maintenance that can be done in a partnership with a skilled electrician. During this maintenance session, they will check the air filter and battery voltage. They'll operate the generator for an hour to evaluate its performance and ensure there are no blockages in the exhaust. Fourth, work with that same electrician for annual maintenance. They'll change the oil, replace the spark plugs, clean the cooling system, replace the filters, and check the coolant level and concentration. Call Shafnisky Electric at 610-435-2237 to schedule your free estimate for a commercial automatic standby generator installation or maintenance.